YouTube, what is up? So I picked up the Aramid fiber Latercase for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, I picked this up off of their website. I'll leave a link down in the description. This thing's gonna retail you for about $59 US. This is a very thin, lightweight, minimalistic Aramid fiber case, but is it worth the money? But you know what is worth the money? Subbing to my channel. It's free. So sub to my channel, smash that like button, and let's get into this case. So I have got the Latercase here. This case is impossibly thin, featherweight, superior texture, space age materials, stronger than steel, ultra precise, and simple installation. Now, I did use this case for a couple of days. I just kind of wanted to show the packaging it comes in. As a matter of fact, it came in like its own little Latercase. I mean, it was all Latercase all day. It was kind of cool.
And that's cool, but...
So in the box, you know, you just, nice little presentation. It's got a little magnetic little flippity flop. And then it comes with the case. The only thing, I don't know, it's like the center part didn't, you know, really fit. This is a very thin and lightweight case. Now, it doesn't have any type of MagSafe ring or anything like that. When I first bought it, I didn't pay attention. I don't know why I assumed. Maybe because it was, you know, $60. Maybe I just assumed that, yeah, it's got MagSafe or MagSafe, and it doesn't. Extremely thin, you know, I think they said 7.7 millimeters? 0.6 millimeters, my bad. So let's see how light it is. Let's go ahead and weigh this Latercase. So I got my scale here. What do we got it set on grams? And 14 grams, which that is extremely light, probably one of the lighter cases that I've ever come across. All right, so let's go ahead and put the Latercase on the iPhone, my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And this, I mean, it's a very nice looking case. I do like the camera bump and what they did there, you know, with the layers that kind of like the layers of your camera bump. So that is very nice. It's very cool and unique looking. As far as the feel in the hand, it feels nice. It's got that really nice texture. So there's, you know, there's no real slippage or anything like that. Slippage. With the Latercase here, how is that back tap? Back tap works well. Now, looking around the case here, all of the buttons are exposed. As you can see here, your camera control, your sleep to wake, they are open button, and same here with your action button and your volume rockers as well. And also on the bottom, this is, you know, cut out on the bottom, and also it's cut out on the top, which I'm not exactly sure why they cut the top. Maybe it was a symmetry thing, but you know, other cases that have the exposed bottom or even the exposed buttons, you know, at least the top of it's covered. So let's go ahead and check out the fit on the phone with the case. Of course, you do have, you know, wobble because of the camera bump.
So
the sides of the case here, it does, you know, it doesn't really pull too much away, you know, from there. There's really not a whole heck of a lot, you know, as far as, you know, what's around the actual case. And as far as, you know, coming off the ends here, it especially up here on this side, this is very easy. And maybe that's the whole easy installation and removal. I don't know, but it seems like a little too much. Now down here, it takes a little bit of extra effort. I don't know, it just seems to want to pop off easily, but it does snap in there, so there is that. Clickiness of the buttons, you know, it's just as clicky as, you know, your phone, because all your buttons are exposed. Aha! Now let's look at the screen protection and the camera protection. The lip for the screen is very minimal, as you would expect. I have a screen protector on my phone here, and it reaches right up to the screen protector, you know, as you can see. So just know when you go to set it down, there is a little bit, but you know, not too much. The camera is exceptional. I mean, that whole thing is, you know, covered up, and you know, where the lenses are, you've got a good amount of protection, because as you see, these kind of turn, the cover kind of turns in, so it's like a good flat surface to where something would really have to, you know, hit it from the center. Huh? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I think you catch what I'm saying. So you should be good when you set your phone face down or face up, face back. When you set the butt end down. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what I mean? I feel you. Well, let me in. There is no MagSafe ring, you know, no magnetic ring or anything like that. But it is a thin case, so you know you can use it with MagSafe. It's just it's not the strongest, so. Let's check out and see, you know, how much of that magnet's actually coming through. So I've got my magnet paper here, and you can see now that's, you know, that's all the phone. You know, this isn't on the case or anything like that. So you can see some of the, you know, magnet coming through, the dewdrop and all the things. You can see them, but you know, does it charge, and will it hold up to any kind of shake test? I don't know. Give it a try. I have got my 160 gram charger here. Let's go ahead, pop that on there. And of course it does charge. What do we got down here on the dewdrop? Yeah, there's nothing. There's hardly, you hear the clicking, but there's no resistance. So what do we got here? This is light. Do you think that's funny? Light shakeage. I don't even, yeah, it's just, it's not there when it comes to the MagSafe thing. What about a wallet? Let's check out the wallet here. I've got my Andar wallet. Now, Andar's got really, really nice wallets and good magnets. You know, so there is a little bit of resistance there. But yeah, yeah, even the butt starting to butt shakeage. If you're looking for just a regular, just thin, minimalistic case, I don't believe this is it either. The price point, I got it on Cyber Monday sale, which was 25% off, and I got it for like $44 and some change. Still, there's so many other options. I mean, it looks cool, it feels nice. But, you know, that's about it. You know, for, you know, $50, $60 plus dollars, there's just way more options out there. I've got a video right here on some Binks, you know, Kevlar cases that have MagSafe. Really, really nice. Why don't you go ahead and check them out, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Peace and love.